Verghese Kurian, known as the father of the White Revolution in India, was a social entrepreneur whose billion-liter idea, Operation Flood, made dairy farming India's largest self-sustaining industry and the largest rural employment sector. It made India the world's largest milk producer, doubled the milk available for each person, and increased milk output fourfold in 30 years. Kurian was born on 26 November 1921 in Kozhikode, Kerala. He received a bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering from the College of Engineering, Guindy. He secured master's degree in mechanical engineering, metallurgy, with a minor in nuclear physics in 1948 from Michigan State University, US. In 1949, Kurian was sent by the government of India to its rundown experimental creamery at Anand, Gujarat state. During his tenure, he volunteered to tinker with the primitive dairy equipment of T. Patel, who sought his help to process the milk of farmers he had brought together after a strike in 1946 and formed a cooperative society to purchase their milk at nearby Kaira. Kurian decided to quit the government job midway and leave Anand, but was persuaded by Patel to stay with him after quitting and help him set up his dairy cooperative. Kurian established the dairy cooperative Kaira District Cooperative Milk Producers Union Limited, KDCMPUL, popularly known as Amul Dairy at Anand. Farmers faced a problem of fluctuating milk production as surplus milk found no buyers in the first season and turned to the cooperative for help, where a proposal to convert the surplus into milk powder was made. Kurian's batchmate from America and dairy engineer H.M. Dalaya invented the process of making skim milk powder and condensed milk from buffalo milk. Amul competed successfully against Nestle, the leading competitor for milk, and later against Glaxo for baby food. Amul organized dairy farmers in the villages and linked them directly to consumers in the market by eliminating middlemen, ensuring a steady and regular income for them even during the lean season. In 1965, Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri tasked Kurian to replicate the dairy's Anand scheme nationwide, for which the National Dairy Development Board (NDDB) was founded under Kurian on his condition that it be independent of governmental control and that it be set up at Anand, away from the capitals and closer to farmers. Rest is history. The White Revolution became a reality with Kurian at the helm, known as the father of White Revolution. During his lifetime, he have won a lot of accolades and honors. In 1963, the Raman Magsaysay Award, 1965, the Padma Shri, 1966, Padma Bhushan, 1986, Krishi Ratna, 1986, Wattler Peace Prize from the Carnegie Foundation, Netherlands, 1989, World Food Prize from the World Food Prize Foundation, 1993, International Person of the Year, World Dairy Expo, 1997, Order of Agricultural Merit from the Ministry of Agriculture, France, and in 1999, with the Padma Vibhushan from the Government of India. After a very illustrious journey, he passed away at the age of 90 in 2012. Mr. Kurian was one among the busiest scientists Mother India have ever produced.